Hi, so this code might look pretty unfamiliar because I've refactored it massively. This is my store.php page for sessions, so where people log in. So I've dropped the use session and I've completely refactored it. So you'll just follow me through. I'm sure you'll understand by the end. So first of all, I'm creating a variable called form, and then what I'm doing is I'm calling the login, going to login and using the validate method. And then passing in a array which has called attributes, which passes in the email and password they've given me. So these are the things they've input. We don't know if they're right or not. I go to the login form. Then, if I go to validate, I'm going to pass in my email and password they throw into me, and I put it in a instance, which makes a new static class attributes, and it returns what was it um and let's see, where can we find it? Right, so because it's creating a new class, if we look up here, and this is an inlet class, and that means it constructs, it goes here and it checks if it validates the email, and it validates check as a string, so it's just checking, is this a valid email type input? Is it a valid string type input? It's not checking if they actually match our database. So return failed, which will be down here, and then we return these errors if these are true and they've been added. Or else, then we return, we shove instance through, and we go validation exception, and then we pass in our errors and our attributes. So if we go to validation exception into throw, here we are. So we pass in errors and old, and then if they're both there, this won't happen. We make errors equals to errors, old equal to old. What else is this? That looks good. And then we throw these instances back to store.php, which is hopefully this one. So form equals this stuff, signed in equals new authenticator, and then we go, so okay, new authenticator class, and then we pass in our attributes. So this is checked, it's all the right type of data being input. We go to, or else it returns an error. Authenticator new, so, and then we're looking, select all from users where email equals the email we're passing in. And if that is true, then we go to find. What was I going to say? Yeah, we find them. And then if user, so then we verify the password using a handy function built in called password verify. And then that's true. We make the email equal to email so we can like welcome them when they come in. It's a session now. And so I'll say when you actually, now we know it's right, we can say hello and then your email when you're logged in, which is very nice. And then it logs in, sorry, that's what it does here, which is great. It regenerates the session ID, which is perfect. And then if we go back to store, now we're logged in, which is here. And then if not signed in, so if at this point they aren't signed in, then we return an error. So, and we redirect to home afterwards. So yeah, that's the refactor. Just a bit cleaner, more organized. Hope that all made sense.